Namaskar, hello and welcome back. This is the series that we are talking about failures which are happening in our life and the aspects, the factors which ensures failure. In the previous 3 videos we have discussed about different topics. Today we are going to talk about short-term process. Right, so when we talk about short-term process, right, it's like success is something which doesn't happen with a fraction of a second, right? It doesn't happen overnight, right? It requires huge amount of energy, effort, which happens over long period of time. It takes huge amount of energy, huge amount of efforts behind it, and it's like you have to keep on grinding it, you have to keep on putting in efforts, right? There could be many attempts wherein you are not getting the success, you are not getting even the result out of it, you are not even understanding what is happening in your life, and still you are putting everything into it, and still you are believing in something which is going to happen someday. And that is something which consistency matters when it comes to success. When you are not consistent, when you are looking out for something which is on a short term basis, right? If something which is going to be there for short term, right, if you are looking out for short term goals, short term achievement, right, then that sustainability of that short term achievement is also going to be very short, right? Because Messi, if I remember correctly, Messi is the famous football player we all know, right? He has a very beautiful statement in one of his interviews. He said that it took me 17 years and 6 months to become an overnight success. But how strong that statement is, right? It took me 17 years and 6 months to become an overnight success, because now we see what is there in front of us when the person is successful, right? We don't see what has gone behind, what he has put in behind to become what he has achieved today. Right, so that is something which is very important, and that is something which always has to be there with us, right? Because if we are not putting out for a long game, if you are not looking out for a longer achievement, if you are not looking out for something which is going to stay for a longer period of time, then definitely we are looking out for a very short term achievement, and that achievement is not going to give that kind of happiness and satisfaction when we are looking out for, right? So that is something which came to my mind, because we have already discussed about 3 different topics which ensures failure, right? So if you are looking out for success, right, don't go for a short term game, you have to play a long term game, right? If you are looking out for short term game, then 100% rest assured that you are going to be a failure some or the other day, right? And this is something which I have learned very hard way. That is the reason I wanted to share with you all. So I hope this makes sense, and if this has given you a new line of thought, please do share in the comment box as well, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much.